Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Ring step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Ring device and ensuring you have all the components. Locate the Ring app on your smartphone and download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, open it and create a new account or log in to an existing account. When prompted, select Set up a device from the main menu. Choose the type of Ring device you are setting up, such as a doorbell or security camera. Next, connect your device to power if it requires it. If you're setting up a doorbell, ensure you have the necessary tools for installation. For a wired doorbell, turn off the power at the circuit breaker before starting. Use a screwdriver to remove your existing doorbell if replacing one. Connect the wires from the power supply to your Ring doorbell according to the manual instructions provided. For battery-operated devices, insert the battery and make sure it is charged. Once powered, press the setup button on your Ring device until the lights start flashing. Go back to the Ring app and select Continue when prompted to detect the device. The app should search for your Ring device. Wait for it to find it. When your device appears, select it to begin the Wi-Fi setup process. Choose your Wi-Fi network and enter the password when prompted. Once connected, the app will confirm that your device is set up on your network. Follow any additional instructions on the app to customize your device settings. You may want to adjust motion detection settings or notification preferences at this point. Finally, test your Ring device to ensure it is functioning correctly. Check if you can receive notifications and visualize the live feed from the app. Once confirmed, securely mount the device in the desired location, following the included guidelines. Congratulations, your Ring device is now fully set up and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.